Hello everyone, Rebecca here. My friend Murphy and I love making things. Do you? You know what? You can reuse so many leftover things to make something great.
Hey, that gives me a monster idea.
I thought it might.
Let's get monster making. Hi!
It's a brilliant sailboat. We're going to need a box, coloured card, paper straws, a small paper cup, a pencil, modelling clay, stickers and paint. Place a ball of modelling clay under the small cup and carefully push a hole through the bottom with a pencil. Do the same to make 2 holes in each piece of orange paper and 2 holes in the side of the box. At home, you should ask a grown-up to help you with this. Now we can paint the cup green and the box blue.
Painty, painty, monster painty. Hey, 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 hey! Now we can make the sides of the boat.
Fold a long, thin piece of paper in half. And glue it to the sides of the box.
Ooh, it's starting to look like a boat now.
Let's use paper straws as our boat's masts. Make sails by sliding it through the holes in the orange paper. The small paper cup can be the crow's nest. We can also add some wiggly triangles of paper to look like flags. Push the straws into the holes in the box. You know what else we need, Murphy?
Stickers!
Exactly! We can add them to the sides to look like portholes. There we have it. One brilliant sailboat, all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific.